Once upon a time, in a small town named Sweetville, lived a little girl named Lily. She loved chocolate more than anything in the world. One day, she found a golden ticket inside her chocolate bar. Lily was so excited, she couldn't believe her luck. She ran to her best friend, Sam, to share the news. Sam was just as thrilled as Lily. They decided to embark on an adventure to the mysterious chocolate factory mentioned on the ticket. With their backpacks filled with snacks and their hearts filled with joy, they set off on their journey. They walked through the forest, climbed over hills, and crossed sparkling streams. Every step brought them closer to their dream. As they approached the factory, they saw a bright sign that read, "Welcome to Willy Wonka's Chocolate Factory." Lily and Sam couldn't contain their excitement. They entered the factory, their eyes wide with wonder. They saw chocolate rivers, candy mountains, and even edible walls. They tasted chocolate fountains and Oompa Loompas singing and dancing. It was a chocolate lover's paradise. But then, they heard a strange noise. It was the sound of a door closing. They turned to see the factory starting to shrink. Lily and Sam held hands, feeling a little scared, but they knew they had to find a way out. In the control room, they found a button that said, "Press this button to return to normal size." Lily pressed it, and the factory grew back to its original size. They were safe. Lily and Sam left the factory, their hearts full of memories. They knew that the adventure had taught them a valuable lesson: life is sweetest when shared with friends. From that day on, they always shared their chocolate with each other. And so, the story of Lily and Sam's chocolate adventure became a legend in Sweetville. They reminded everyone that life's sweetest moments are those shared with loved ones, just like a bite of a delicious chocolate bar.